finally getting some rain in Texas, and we're out playing it. Jake and Jossie want to run to the fence and back? Ready to go!
Go, Riker, go! Go get him! Go get him! Oh, yeah!
Whoa!
Okay, come on again.
Go, Riker, go! Here they come. Oh my goodness.
I started in the rain. Too long.
Riker, you're wet. Look at you. You're soaked.
Here, Trace again.
You're soaked. Oh my goodness.
For a minute there, he was scared.
It's just so fun. It's growing.
Oh, yeah?
And as you can see, we have no trampoline this week because last week it blew away.
Me too. I'm soaked too.
Whoa, Riker, come here, guy. Come.
Okay, I'll get Rick.
Get the soccer ball. Play soccer. In the rain. You guys play
Rike.
soccer in the rain.
Riker. Riker, look at me. Hi, is that cold? Okay.